Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views on private sector banks because I have a set of stocks. These stocks will going to perform better in the last week of May month series as well as in the first and second week of June series. So in this list of stocks, I put the IndusInd Bank as top-notch stock, first stock. So recently closed IndusInd Bank price is 1014. So it may start from this level to it may reach to a higher level of 1032 and 1056. And second stock in this list, I put HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank recently closed the price while taking this video is 1500. So it may go up to 1536 and 1541 also. And other stocks are Axis Bank. Axis Bank has a recently closed price as 732. So from this level, it may reach up to even up to 772 level. And Kotak Bank, so Kotak Bank is performing extremely well both fundamentally and speculatively. The Kotak Bank has a recently closed price as 1759. So it may reach up to 1802 level. And another bank is Bandhan Bank. The Bandhan Bank recently closed price is 299. So it may go up to 342 level or even beyond this level. And last stock is ICICI Bank. It's a very passive stock. So this stock may show some spurt and momentum once in a while only, not daily. So with respect to these six stocks, we can form a separate group of stocks. So you can consider IndusInd Bank and Kotak Bank together. When IndusInd Bank moves up, Kotak Bank also moves similarly. These two stocks may give highly trading opportunities for F&O traders, particularly in option segment. And Axis and HDFC Bank can be grouped together. These two stocks will give highly trading opportunity both in equity as well as F&O segment. And last one is the Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank has to be treated separately. If you want to make a consistent profit like a monthly salary, it is better you forget about Nifty, forget about Bank Nifty, forget about all stocks, concentrate only on this Bandhan Bank. So you can travel along with Bandhan Bank. Whenever it shows a positive momentum, go along with these stocks, go in the positive direction, take long position. Otherwise, take a call option in the option segment. Suppose the Bandhan Bank is negative on a particular day, do the reverse way, like taking a short sell position in derivative as well as equity, or else take a put option. So it is better if you want to minimize your risk, if you want to confine your viewing area, forget all those things, forget index, forget bank stocks, and forget all stocks. Concentrate only on Bandhan Bank. And apart from this video, I'd like to express few of my views on Superfans is a trading tips platform which is operating through WhatsApp broadcast. So in this Superfans, we used to give penny level option trading tips. Penny level option trading tips is nothing but option premiums are ranging from 10 paise, 20, 30 paise to up to 90 paise. Such a small priced option trading tips we give with entry and exit target, with the entry and target. And on a particular day, if penny level option trading tips is not available, we give low priced option trading tips. Low priced option trading tips is nothing but to take one lot, the minimum working capital may be around 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or sometimes 1500 rupees. Such a low priced option trading tips will also be given in as a low priced option trading tips when penny level option trading is not available there. And along with this, once in a while, we used to give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. The penny stocks are in equity are nothing but the option. The equity stocks having price ranges from 5 paise to 20 rupees. So these penny stocks in equity are not tradable stocks. You buy and stay invested for few years, then enjoy the profit. So the disclaimers apply. If at all you want to subscribe to Superfans, you can subscribe Superfans by remitting the subscription 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription either by Google pay or phone pay or Paytm to this WhatsApp number. I leave the WhatsApp number in description and comment box. So trade with private bank stocks this week and forthcoming 2 weeks. Make your great corpus. So subscribe to Bull Street Super Fans. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.